Hi Renovators! Again, welcome to my page. Just check my YouTube channel and also my Facebook page. So ito, Renovators, nandito ako sa Level 5, 1 Ayala Mall, Ayala Avenue. So natapos na kami sa project namin dito sa Activate Sports. Just check na lang sa Level 5, 1 Ayala Mall. So, I'll just give some few tips before opening your store. Nakatulad nito, commercial unit. So, let's go! So, for tips for before make sure na opening na kayo ng store nyo or ng commercial unit, here are some few reminders na kailangan nyo lang, kumbaga ito yung parang pinaka-checklist nyo na kailangan nyo gawin. So, first of all, check with your admin the requirements for opening the store. So, number two, requirements na kailangan i-comply sa admin tulad ng as-built plans, building permits, FSIC, Fire Safety Inspection Certificate, and other requirements na pinapa-require ng admin sa checklist. So, and also, tips ko lang before opening your commercial unit, make sure na you will conduct some safety procedures like meager testings, sa plumbing, yung pinaka-leak test, and waterproofing test. Kumbaga, kung na-comply nyo naman na lahat to, at least, pwede na talaga kayong mag-open ng commercial unit nyo. At the same time, pag na-completo nyo ng requirements nyo, pwede na kayo makipag-coordinate with the admin for the soft opening. So, ayun Renovators, some few tips lang before opening your commercial unit. Bye!